We are making delicious, easy, and totally customizable chicken bread pockets. Crispy on the outside and cheesy on the inside. Make it in air fryer, or just fry it. Start with 1/4 cup of oil. Add 1 cup of chopped onions. Sauté for 5 minutes until it becomes translucent. Add 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. Cook until it changes its color. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Sauté for 5 minutes. Add to chopped medium tomatoes. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After that, add 1 cup of green peppers cut into small pieces. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of Chaat masala. Mix it and switch off the heat. Transfer it to the bowl. When it comes to room temperature, add 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Give it a good mix. Add 1/4 cup of olives. Mix it and set aside. Next up, we are going to prepare our bread. Take a slice of bread and trim the crust off to make a nice, smooth surface. This makes it easier to fill and seal the pockets later on. Save these bread cuttings to make bread crumbs. Flatten the bread slices with the help of rolling pin. Roll the slices this thin. Make slurry by adding water to 2 tablespoons of flour and mix it. Now spread it along the edges of bread slice. Take a generous spoonful of our chicken mixture and place it in the center of the bread so we can seal it up. You want to make sure it's evenly spread out, but leave some space around the edges. Fold the bread over like a little pocket. Press down the edges gently to seal it. You can pinch it to press the edges together. We can conveniently freeze the filling to use it later. Perfect! Our pockets are sealed. It's time to give it a crunchy exterior. We will dip each pocket into beaten eggs. Then dip into the breadcrumbs. At this point, we can easily bake them in air fryer or fry it in the oil. Let's air fry the first 2 pockets. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Flip it halfway through. There you have it, delicious chicken bread pockets without frying in the oil. Let's fry rest of the pockets. All temperatures should be medium-low to medium. Keep stirring for even cooking. Look at the golden brown goodness. You want to make sure both sides get crispy and cheese inside melts. Once they are crispy, remove them from the pan and let them cool for a minute. Look at these beautiful chicken bread pockets. Crispy on the outside, warm and cheesy on the inside. A perfect choice for Ramadan iftar. These are perfect for lunch, dinner, or even as an appetizer for your next party. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Leave a comment below if you try these out or if you have any variations you like to make. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
See it?